This is the length formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals to 1 upon F. It's clear? Now see here, as we know that 1 upon F equals to दो रिलेशन आए थे, एक आया था 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equals to N minus 1 within bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. And the other relation was 1 upon F equals to 1 N minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. There were two relations. It's clear. This was derived from here when we have assumed that when U equals to infinity, V equals to F. जब U infinity है तो V क्या होगा? F होगा. Now if you compare their LHS, on comparing LHS, अगर LHS compare करें, then 1 upon F will be equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. ऐसा ये. Then after this, there is one more thing. You can see here. Effect on the focal length of the lens. Effect on the focal length of lens. हमने बताया था फोकल लेंथ किस पर डिपेंड करती है? ऑन द रेडियाई ऑफ कर्वेचर एज वेल एज ऑन द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मटेरियल विद रेस्पेक्ट टू सराउंडिंग मीडियम. ये एन क्या है? एन है RI ऑफ मटेरियल ऑफ लेंस with respect to surrounding medium. RI of material of lens with respect to the surrounding medium. आए समझे? ये n है. आए समझे? अब ये n की वैल्यू क्या है? अगर एक बार लेंस को हम एयर में रखें, मतलब सराउंडिंग मीडियम क्या है? एयर है. आए समझे? फिर क्या है? दूसरे केस में सराउंडिंग मीडियम क्या है? वाटर है. So in both cases, this lens will have same lens will have different focal length. In both cases, lens will have different focal length. इसकी focal length दोनों केस में क्या होगी? डिफर करेगी. आए समझे? क्यों? क्योंकि सराउंडिंग मीडियम चेंज हो गया, therefore n की वैल्यू क्या हो गई है? चेंज हो गई. This is clear. So n is what? RI of material of lens with respect to the surrounding medium. This thing is clear. Now see here, therefore effect on the focal length of lens when it is immersed in a liquid. Immersed in a liquid. What will be effect on its focal length when the lens will be immersed in a liquid? So you can see here. Here, let the focal length of lens in air is FA and in liquid it is FL. In air it is FA and when it is immersed in the liquid it is FL. It is clear. So see here. Here we have assumed that RI of liquid is ANL. It's clear. It is ANL. So see here, what is the formula of 1 upon FA? It is equal to, yes, 1 upon FA equals to N minus 1 within bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. when we write the focal length of lens when it is immersed in liquid. Let focal length of lens in air is this and in liquid it is this. So 1 upon FL. So what will be 1 upon FL? Here N means ANG. N means ANG. Because in air, ray of light is moving from where to where? From air to glass. But when it is situated inside the liquid, then ray of light is moving from where to where? Liquid to glass. Therefore, in place of ANG, it will be LNG minus 1. Within bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. It is clear? If you divide side by side, on dividing side by side, what will you get? FL upon FA. FL upon FA. When you will divide side by side, this will become FL upon FA. This bracket will be cancelled. Both brackets will be cancelled. This will be cancelled with this. It's clear? What is in the numerator? ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. It's clear? Now you can see here, what is the formula of LNG? LNG. What you can write? It is ANG upon ANL. ANG upon ANL. Now you see the case 1. You can see here what is the case 1. Yes, each one. What is case 1? When Ri of liquid is less than Ri of lens. That is, ANL is less than ANG. ANL is less than ANG. It's clear? So in this case, what will happen? We will find that focal length will be increased. कैसे increase हो जाएगी देखो. ANL is less than ANG. So what will be LNG? LNG will be smaller than ANG from here. क्यों? ये bigger है और ये क्या है? Smaller है. It's clear? Therefore its value will be less than ANG. और क्यों होगा ये ऐसा? ये ऐसा होगा तो क्यों होगा? So you can see here. Yeah. As you see here, what is the in every case ANL will be greater than 1. ANL की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी. क्यों 1 होगी? क्योंकि एयर को रेयरेस्ट मीडियम लिया जाता है. उसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कितना लिया जाता है? 1. एयर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कितना लिया जाता है? 1. क्यों एयर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 1 है? तुमको मालूम है म्यू m इक्वल्स टू c अपॉन vm. सो म्यू एयर will be equal to what? 3 into 10 की पावर 8 upon v air. पर v air क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन एयर कितना है? वो भी यही है, 3 into 10 to the power 8. Therefore mu for air it is equal to 1. Air is taken the rarest medium. Air is taken the rarest medium. All other mediums are having greater refractive index than 1 than air. और सभी मीडियम्स का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अगर एयर के विद रेस्पेक्ट निकालेंगे तो ग्रेटर देन 1 है. इट्स क्लियर? सो ANL will be greater than 1. And when ANL is greater than 1, LNG will become less than ANG. LNG की वैल्यू ANG से लेस होगी. और क्यों लेस होगी? देख लो. सपोज ANG तुम्हारा कितना है? हमने ऐसे ही एक आर्बिट्रेरी वैल्यू ले ली है. ANG कितना है यहाँ पर? You can see here. ANG is 10 and ANL is, because it is greater than 1, you can take 2. What will be the result? Result is 5. You can see here 5 is less than 10. अगर ये 1 से बड़ा होगा तो ये वाली चीज इस वाली चीज से स्मॉलर होगी। सो वही चीज आई है। LNG is less than ANG. LNG is less than ANG. So see here, what will be LNG minus 1? It will be less than ANG minus 1. It's clear? LNG, if you subtract same number in both the sides, sign of inequation will remain changed. It's clear? Sign of inequation will remain changed. As well as both will remain positive also. Why they will remain positive? This is ANG, it is greater than 1. This is LNG. अब लिक्विड और ग्लास में कौन अधिक डेंसर है? लिक्विड इज मोर डेंसर और ग्लास इज मोर डेंसर? मूर्ख हो क्या? लिक्विड और ग्लास में कौन डेंसर है? Which one is more denser in liquid and glass?
Glass.
Glass is more denser, therefore it will also be greater than 1. It's clear? Since LNG and ANG both are greater than 1, therefore LNG minus 1 and ANG minus 1 both will be positive. Both will be positive. It's clear? Now see here, you divide both the sides by LNG minus 1. इसकी दोनों sides को किससे divide कर दें? LNG minus 1 से divide कर दें. So when you will divide both the sides by LNG minus 1, what will you get? 1 less than ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. क्योंकि जब LNG minus 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे इधर 1 हो जाएगा और इधर क्या हो जाएगा? ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. But you can see here ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1 is what? FL upon FA. So 1 is less than FL upon FA. It's clear? Or you can say FA will be less than FL. Now you can see once again, means liquid में focal length अधिक होगी, air में कम. You can see once again, the whole thing you see once again. Here effect of on focal length when it is immersed in a liquid. Effect on focal length of lens when it is immersed in liquid. Let focal length of lens in air is Fe. And in the liquid it is FL. Here refractive index of liquid I have taken as ANL. So what will be 1 upon FA? It will be ANG minus 1 within bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. What will be 1 upon FL? LNG minus 1 within bracket because ray of liquid light is going from liquid to glass. So LNG minus 1 within bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. When you divide side by side, what will you get? FL upon FA equals to this. You will get this. यहां तक क्लियर है? बोले यहां तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Now LNG you can write as what? ANG upon ANL. तुमको मालूम है एक फार्मूला हमने बताया था 1 mu2 equals to mu2 upon mu1. So LNG will be ANG upon ANL. It's clear? Now here ANL is greater than 1. It's clear? क्यों? Because liquid is more denser than air. So ANL will be greater than 1. So when ANL is greater than 1, so we are discussing this case when Ri of liquid is less than Ri of lens, means ANL is less than ANG. ANL is less than ANG. So ANL is less than ANG, so what will happen? LNG will be less than ANG. Why it will be less than ANG? You can see ANL is greater than 1. This is greater than 1, therefore किसी भी नंबर को 1 से बिगर नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो रिजल्ट आता है दैट विल बी लेस देन जिसको डिवाइड किया जा रहा है। कोई भी नंबर है, जैसे 15 है, इसको 1 से बिगर नंबर से डिवाइड करें, सपोज 3 से डिवाइड करें, तो जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो क्या है, जिसको डिवाइड किया जा रहा है उससे लेस आएगा, means this will be less than this. So in the same way LNG will be less than ANG. क्यों? क्योंकि ANL is greater than 1. So LNG will be less than ANG. It's clear? Now if you subtract 1 in both the side, relation will become this. Now since this and this both are greater than 1, क्योंकि दोनों क्या हैं, लिक्विड के विद रेस्पेक्ट ग्लास, लिक्विड के विद रेस्पेक्ट डेंसर है, ग्लास एयर के विद रेस्पेक्ट भी डेंसर है, तो ये वैल्यू क्या होगी, ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी। और जब ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी तो 1 से ग्रेटर वैल्यू से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या रहेगा, पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा। आए समझे? और अगर हम पॉजिटिव नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, पॉजिटिव नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो साइन ऑफ इनइक्वेशन क्या रहता है, अनचेंज। सो आई एम डिवाइडिंग बोथ द साइड्स बाय LNG -1, यहाँ भी LNG -1, यहाँ भी LNG -1. So when you will divide by LNG -1, it is 1. When you will divide by LNG -1, it will become this. It's clear? Sign of inequation will remain unchanged because both the brackets are positive. Both the brackets are positive. Now this is what? This already you know that it is equal to FL upon FA. So you write FL upon FA here. So 1 is less than FL upon FA, or FA is less than FL. मतलब क्या है, लिक्विड में फोकल लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी, फोकल लेंथ विल बी इंक्रीज, दैट इज फोकल लेंथ विल बी इंक्रीज. यू कैन सी हियर फोकल लेंथ विल बी increased if lens is immersed in a liquid or in a medium whose refractive index is less than the refractive index of the material of lens, then its focal length will be increased. Now see the second thing, a case 2. If Ri of liquid is equal to Ri of lens, lens matlab that is glass, that is ANL is equal to ANG. When this will be the case, what will be the LNG? LNG will become 1 because LNG is ANG upon ANL. So it will become equal to 1. LNG will become 1. And when it will become 1, so what will be 1 upon FL? 1 upon FL का फार्मूला है LNG -1 it is equal to 1, so what will be 1 minus 1? So it is equal to 0. And this is 0, therefore FL equals to 1 upon 0, that is infinite. Focal length will become infinite. Focal length क्या हो जाएगी, infinite हो जाएगी. It's clear? Means lens will behave just like a plain glass sheet. That is, lens will behave as a plain glass sheet. Lens will behave just like a plain glass sheet. लेंस एक प्लेन ग्लास शीट की तरीके से बिहेव करेगी. आए समझे? नाउ सी द थर्ड केस. Its results are more important than the deduction. Case 3. अगर क्या है, if Ri of liquid is more than Ri of glass, मीन्स ये ऐसा लिक्विड है जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ग्लास के रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स से अधिक हो. Then what will happen? In that case, what will happen? It's clear. So in that case, you can see here ANL is greater than ANG. So what will be LNG? LNG is ANG upon ANL. Now it is greater, it is smaller. ये अगर 5 है तो ये क्या है 7 है, तो वैल्यू क्या होगी? LNG will be less than 1. 1 से लेस होगा कि नहीं? LNG is less than 1, so LNG minus 1 will be less than 0. 1 को इधर ले आए, so LNG minus 1 will become less than 0, or LNG minus 1 is negative. LNG minus 1 is negative. It's clear? Now you can see here what will be ANG. ANG is always greater than 1. Therefore, ANG minus 1 will be greater than 0. That is ANG minus 1 is positive. मतलब दो चीजें आ गई, ANG minus 1 is positive, LNG minus 1 is negative. Now what is FL upon FA? The just now you have deduced here. FL upon FA. This will. So you can see FA. This is ANG minus 1 upon LNG minus 1. Now you can see here, this is positive and this is negative. And this is negative. Therefore, overall will become negative. FL upon FA will become negative. And this is negative, it means अगर एक कॉन्वेक्स होगा तो दूसरा कॉन्केव, क्योंकि तभी ये रेशियो नेगेटिव आ सकता है. If in air it is convex, then in liquid it will become concave. और अगर एयर में कॉन्केव है तो लिक्विड में क्या होगा? कॉन्वेक्स है. So this is possible only when both have opposite nature. That is, nature of lens will be changed. Will be changed. Nature of lens will be changed. It's clear? Nature of lens क्या हो जाएगा? Change हो जाएगा. This point is clear? Now you can see here. Now, so अगर क्या है, लेंस को एक ऐसे लिक्विड में डाला जा रहा है जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स लेंस के रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स से लेस है, फोकल लेंथ विल बी इंक्रीज. मोर है, नेचर विल बी चेंज. कॉन्वेक्स विल बिहेव एज कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्केव विल बिहेव एज कॉन्वेक्स. और इक्वल है, देन इट विल बिहेव जस्ट लाइक ए प्लेन ग्लास शीट. It will behave just like a plain glass sheet. So this thing is clear. Whether it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now after this, combined focal length of two thin lenses in contact, and this derivation is also very important. पहला derivation क्या था? हमने बताया n upon v minus 1 upon u equal to n minus 1 upon r. Second derivation, lens maker's formula, and third derivation which I am going to explain you. Combination of focal length, ये lens focal length of lens combination. focal length of two thin lenses kept in contact. Focal length of two thin lenses kept in contact. दो थिन लेंसेज एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में रखे हैं, उनकी फोकल लेंथ. इट्स क्लियर. Here we have taken two thin lenses kept in coaxial contact. Coaxial contact means दोनों की एक्सिस क्या है? सेम. Now see here, let us consider its focal length. Have you taken f1 and its focal length as f2. Let us consider two thin lenses of focal length f1 and f2 are kept in contact. They are kept in contact. Let us consider two thin lenses of focal length f1 and f2 are kept in coaxial contact. Coaxial contact. It is clear. Let O is an object whose image by the lens L1 is formed at point I dash. O एक ऑब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पर जिसकी इमेज बाय द लेंस L1 is formed at the point I dash. Now see here, अगर लेंस L2 ना होता तो ये रे ऐसे गई होती और इमेज कहाँ बन जाती? I dash पर बन जाती. But because of this other lens, what will happen? It will be further refracted. It will be further refracted, and now it is refracting towards this point. ये इस point की ओर refract. ऐसा ये इस point की ओर refract कर रही है. So image is forming at the eye. Final image is forming at the eye. So see here, let lens L1 forms image of an object situated on principal axis at point. Let lens L1 forms image of an object situated on principal axis at point O. In other side at I dash. I dash acts as an object for lens L2. I dash as an object work कर रहा for lens L2, which produces image at I. Which produces image at I. कहाँ image produce कर रहा? I पर. It is clear. Its optical center I am taken O1 and its optical center as O2. Now this distance I am taken as U. Then this distance I have taken as V dash, and this distance as V. Now you see for length L1. For length L1, you can see here. For length L1. What is U? U will be O1O. U क्या हो जाएगा? O1O. होगा कि नहीं? And that is equals to U also. We will not take minus U because these are the literal terms. What is V? V will be O1 I dash. And it is equal to V dash. What is F? F equals to F1. So from length equation, one upon V minus one upon U equals to one upon F. So what is one upon V? It is V dash minus one upon U. It is U equal to one upon F. This is the equation 1. This is equation 1. Now you see the for length L2. What will be for L2? It's fold. For length L2. What is U? U will be O2 I dash. O2 I dash. But lenses क्या है? Thin है. Therefore O2 and O1 will be close to each other. As lenses are thin, therefore O2 and O1 will be close to each other. And when O2 and O1 will be close to each other, then what will be? You can write U as O1 I dash. O1 I dash. And this is O1 I dash is how much? V dash. O1 I dash, it is V dash. You can see here. It is V dash. What is V? V equals to O2 I, which you have taken as V. This we have taken as V. And what is F? F equals to F. Therefore, from length equation, it will be 1 upon F2 equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is 1 upon V dash. This is the second equation. Now once again we will connect.